ChatGPT just got an image upgrade, and I don't think people realize how powerful this actually is. I tested it and I came up with 14 ChatGPT images for free that honestly feel like cheating. Some of these I had no idea it could do. So in this video, I'm going to show you 14 real prompts you can copy and what they actually create, step by step. And I'm telling you right now, a few of these are going to completely change how you think about using ChatGPT. Not just pretty pictures. I'm talking about things you could actually use for YouTube, your life, even organizing your day. Because if you're anything like me, you hear AI images and you think, okay, but what would I even use that for? Let me show you. Okay, here's the first one. AI prompt cheat sheet. Right at the top, there's a simple prompt formula that you can follow. And at the bottom, it even gives you a few examples so you can see exactly how it works. Okay, this is where it starts getting really useful. Beach packing list. This is actually perfect because we're going on a beach trip next month, and I would 100% print this and use it. 30-day habit tracker. I love that you can just print this, track a few things, and actually see your progress. Weekly chore chart. Now, if you have kids, or honestly, even just a busy household, this makes everything feel way less overwhelming. You could literally print this out, put it on the fridge, and everyone knows exactly what needs to happen. Disneyland Day Plan. It even builds in breaks, food, and real life moments, so you're not completely exhausted by noon. Garage organization plan. It takes something big and stressful and turns it into a plan you can actually follow. A weekly planning board. You've got your priorities, your schedule, your meals. This is your whole week mapped out. A quick breakfast. This is a full recipe card. Ingredients, steps, timing, all done for you. Donut shop menu. This isn't just an image. This is a concept and a finished design all in one. Chicago 3-day itinerary. It mapped it out, organized the days, added visuals, even included a map. That's not just an image, that's a plan. Wedding weekend schedule. This could be a printable, a digital download, something you sell maybe, or just something that makes you look way more organized than you feel. I feel like I'd be the person trying to make this in Canva for 3 hours. ChatGPT versus Claude comparison. This takes something that feels kind of overwhelming and makes it really simple. Because let's be honest, if you're new to this, you're probably wondering, what's the difference and which one should I use? Daily organizer. I love that it's simple. Top priorities, time blocks, a to-do list, and even a little space to reflect at the end of the day. And I didn't design this. I just described what I wanted. This could easily be a printable or something you offer as a free download. And if you're a content creator, this next one is huge. Thumbnail concepts. Because instead of guessing what your thumbnail should look like, you can actually generate multiple concepts like this in seconds. Different styles, different emotions, different hooks. And then you just pick the one that feels strongest. This is like brainstorming thumbnails, but visually. If you made it this far, you can probably feel it. This isn't just about making images. This is about being able to take an idea and actually turn it into something useful. And I think a lot of people are going to miss that. But if you're someone who wants to learn this stuff, slowly, clearly, without feeling overwhelmed, that's exactly what I'm building here. So if that sounds like you, go ahead and hit subscribe because I've got a lot more of this coming.